Today we're touring a new construction gym in an up-and-coming neighborhood up in Cumming, Georgia. This is 7320 Magnolia Crest Lane in the Meadow Brook Farms community by highly regarded builder David Weekley Homes. The neighborhood features estate-sized lots, all over 1 acre. They have 6 floor plans available, all 4 to 6 bedrooms, with 3 or 4 car garages, some with finished basements. As soon as we step in, there is an awesome office with a convenient front-facing window. You can hide under the desk when you see annoying pest control or pine straw salesman approaching. It's right across from the lovely private guest suite. The design team can help you add features like this accent wall that adds color and texture, the kind of touches that really bring visual interest to the space. One of the reasons I like to tour model homes is it showcases what a builder's design team can bring to the table. The David Weekley team is among the best. Hey there. The main level has an open floor plan, and the kitchen, not only does it look fabulous, but it's so thoughtfully laid out to anticipate all your needs for entertaining or day-to-day life. There's lots of counter space for coffee station, food prep, small appliances, a huge walk-in pantry with custom built-in shelves. You've got sleek, contemporary quartz countertops, including an oversized waterfall quartz island, stainless steel GE appliances, maple cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling, and a biophilically designed dining area, integrating daylight and natural surroundings into your family meals. The 2-story great room is expansive, it's dramatic, it really delivers the modern luxury vibe. It's bathed in natural light from the glass doors and clear story windows. You've got a full acre to enjoy outdoor activities. You can see all the possibilities you have for outdoor entertaining, gardening, or just for the kids and dogs to run around and play. The community also has a lot of great amenities for kids and pets. We will go into detail on those shortly, but first I want you to see the artfully designed glass-encased wine room. This is like a fun, hands-on museum for mom. It's the perfect first stop for a successful book club meeting or mahjong night. There's a lovely powder room for guests, a handy drop zone outside the garage. The flexible floor plans allow you to choose between a 3 or 4 car garage. This particular Tolar floor plan has a 3-car garage and 2 primary suites. This main level primary suite plus another primary upstairs. You can opt for a 4-car garage in lieu of the second primary, but this layout is ideal for multi-generational living or aging in place. Your aging parents could live here on the main level while you took the upper level suite, or you could live here while an adult child took the upper level suite. There's so many options that give this the flexibility to be a forever home. Aging in place and multi-generational living are 2 of the hottest trends in housing. This design falls into the sweet spot of those trends, which should help with resale value if it doesn't turn out to be your forever home. There are 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 3 bedrooms on the upper level. We're going to go have a look at those. First, we've got to give you the show-stopping bird's eye view of the great room. You also have a cool sitting room or teen lounge on the upper level. It gives the kids a private place to hang out, but it's open, so there's not too much privacy, and that can be a good thing. The home is zoned for North Forsyth High School, which gets an excellent 8 out of 10 rating on great schools. This is the upper level primary suite. It has a distinctive vaulted shiplap ceiling, huge windows for natural light, and a view of that beautiful backyard. The ensuite bath is spacious. It has the timeless contemporary farmhouse style. A classic soaking tub, separate his and hers vanities. It's aesthetically pleasing and feature rich with a huge glass shower, multiple heads including a rainfall head, a bench, 2 windows. A little natural light can really help you wake up during your morning shower. There's a spacious linen closet, plenty of room to store some extra bathroom tissue if you've recently dined at Taco Bell. There's a private water closet, a great place to watch my walkthrough tours, and a big, fully customized walk-in closet. It has 2 really nice features for a closet, a big window, and direct access to the laundry room. Dirty clothes can go right into the wash and you never have to carry laundry up and down stairs. It's also nice to have cabinet space and an extra linen closet in the laundry room. A very well thought out design. Some of the other great touches this community offers in its homes: high ceilings throughout, 9-foot ceilings on the upper level, 10-foot ceilings on the main. All of the exterior walls are 2x6 instead of the standard 2x4. This gives you superior insulation capacity, significantly lowering energy bills, also reducing exterior noise. David Weekley Homes come with excellent warranty protection, 10-year structural warranty, 2 years on mechanical, plumbing, and electrical systems, and 1 year on materials and installation issues. I mentioned earlier that Meadow Brook Farms has great amenities. There is a community pool and cabana. There are 1.7 miles of walking trails. There's a multi-purpose playfield, and there's Fort Meadowbrook, a really cool, fun playground and treehouse complex for the kids. Wow, look at the cool color drenching in this room. There are so many things this design team can do to suit your kids' unique personality. And all of this is delivered at a very attractive price point. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you one of these beautiful new construction homes in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.